In this video, we continue to work on the next race little piece of text we're going to drop underneath the picture here. So let's go back and look. Let's get it to be inside this white part, and that's a pretty easy fix. The problem was up in here. It should be inside this div, so we're inside the rounded box div. So when I drop the form view in here, I dropped it in the wrong place. So let's just cut that closed div, and I'm going to contract this whole form view, and then we can put it here. So let's save this and take a look at it. And again, I think this will get it inside that get inside the white box where we want it to be. Yep, that puts it up in there. Then let's also put a break just to get a line in between. So again, I'm going to do this with that form view. Contract it like that. So that'll move it down a line. Now let's also fix this so that we're only getting the most current one. And to do that, I'm actually going to go back here and go to the data source and configure the data source again. And here we'll say we want to do the where. I'm sorry. We want to order by. And we want to sort on the display date and do that descending. And it's going to redo all of our templates if we do this. So we'll say yeah to that. So let's go into our templates now. Well, actually, it'll look the same when we run it. But let's go here to our templates. And the only template we really need is the item template. So let's just, in this insert item template, I'm just going to clean everything out here just to clean this up a little bit. Or you know what? Well, I guess we can leave this and just contract these guys. You notice that just takes up a lot of real estate there here in the source view to have those guys open. Okay, so we can definitely not display the ID. You know, really the only thing we want to display is the content. And we can get rid of that break as well. And we don't even actually want the header on here. Although, you know what? Let's see. We might keep the title. Let's keep the title here for a minute and see if we can work with that. So I'm going to get rid of date added, display date, author, and the word content, and then the break. I'll leave the break after. Okay, so let's save this and take a look. Okay, so this is looking better. We just want to take the word title off of here. And let's see. We'll get rid of this word. And the other thing we want to do on this is set a width on this form view. Again, to get things back to where they should be. So our width on our picture was 506. Let's set the width on that form view to that same width equals, and I think it's going to be pixels if we don't put a unit on there. So let's save this. Take a look here. Good. So that brings our sidebars back up. And again, I want these guys to drop down a little. I want some space between the picture and this. I'm not sure why that's not showing up there. We have the one break. I'm just going to drop a break in again. You know, this is really semantically not correct to be putting breaks in here. I should set the padding on the picture. But just to check it to see. Okay, so that drops it down. And then what I want to do is make, I want all this text to be kind of smaller like the rest of the text. And I want maybe this text to be bold. So, you know, I won't force you to watch that, but anyway, we get the idea. So we just, again, read this from the database, from the form view. And what we'll do in the next video is go back to the admin pages and set up the interface for editing and creating and deleting these entries.